Hey guys, welcome back. I got a little project here. This is the drain plug on the 66. I don't know what they have going on here, but I don't like it. And since it's apart, it's gonna get a standard drain plug put in it. I just robbed this one out of an old oil pan out back, found a nut that fits it. And I have a piece of old U-bolt that fits it too. So I'm gonna make this nut fit there so it can use a standard drain plug again. I'm waiting for the original engine block. It's at the machinist right now. This is the newer one, but there's a couple differences on it that I want to see if the original block can be fixed. I got the manifold all painted up here. I did a patch on the heat riser here. I didn't do any video of that, but I'll throw up a picture. Got the carburetor all on. I got these brackets put back on, painted up and stuff. So that should work. This might not be perfect in here, but it'll be better than what it was. And for what this truck's gonna be used for, I don't think it's going to matter that much. So that measures a little bit over a 1/2 inch, and the flats on here are about 3/4 inch. So I'm going to take the threads out of there and make this thing round. Should be able to put it in there. So I got a 11/16 checked up in the DeWalt, and if you guys have been watching me for a while, I believe this is the one that I struggled with on the snowplow. It's still working. So I'm gonna bore that out. And since I've been wearing some contacts lately, I got my eye condoms on. Safety. I didn't learn anything from the last time I used that drill, apparently. Wrist is a little sore now. That's what I get for trying to have the camera sitting here. Let's see if make this a little better. Well, that was pretty bad, but it could have been worse. Now, to make that fit that, I got her all checked up here. Now, guys, I am far, far from being a professional at this, so don't learn from me. Got her little turn down nut, and it still fits the drain plug, the right proper drain plug. Fits in our hole there. So I still have this cut off U-bolt, and I found a lug nut that threads onto it. And then I'm gonna put a washer on here. I'm gonna thread this in. Tighten it down. Now that's in there fairly snug. I should be able to weld it all up and everything will be right. I'm gonna go ahead and weld that without you guys, and I'll bring you back when it's all done. Doesn't look too bad. It's gonna look better than this. That should work real good. That should be good enough for the old crane truck. Well, join me next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. It's not perfect. It'll do. You want to run them?